Hey guys, I am just take a look at my panels, and from this distance it seems like something has happened with one panel. I will try to zoom in here. And right in the middle of the screen you can see my panels. It actually looks like one panel have just slided down from the mounting there. So I have to go up and take a look at it and see what is going on there. First I will go down in my basement and turn off the power, so we don't have any connection up to the solar panels. And today I have with me my daughter that is going to help me. Hello Lily! So let's see how bad it is. As you can see, it was exactly as I thought it was. So I hope that there is no damage to anything else, but I think I need to go through every panel here because it seems like the wood might change the shape. It may be dried or something, so the screw don't hold on to it anymore. You can see that one over there is actually on the way down too, so I have to take a really good look at this. So can you please take the panel from down below there?
Of course.
And just hold it. It's heavy, so be careful.
I'm holding it.
Yes.
Pappa, det är en orm här. Det är en orm. Men det är en orm.
Vart då?
Här. Nej.
I think we have to help this little fellow. Come here. Be a little more safe here. Now he's happy, I guess. Okay, everything is retightened and secured again, and I think that I need to come up here a little more often and take a look at those screws so they don't come loose again. And that will be everything for today, so have a great one. Thank you for watching. Bye.